spontaneous. Second law of thermodynamics states that any spontaneous process increases the disorder of the universe. But what do we mean when we say entropy? Entropy is the loss of energy available to do work. Another form of the second law of thermodynamics states that the total entropy of a system either increases or remains constant. It never decreases. Entropy is zero in a reversible process, but it increases in an irreversible process.
There are many situations that are related to the spontaneous process and is based on the entropy. One of these situations is the melting of ice. For today, we will explain about the melting of ice, which is a concept that is related to the spontaneous processes and is based on the entropy.
Now, let us consider melting of ice example. Take an ice on a plate and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, we will notice water instead of ice. This process took place without any intervention from your side. Heat absorbed by the ice from surrounding is due to set of conditions not due to your intervention. Thus, we can consider melting of ice as a spontaneous process or reaction.
In ice, the molecules are very well ordered because of the H bonds. Therefore, ice has low entropy. As ice melts, the intermolecular forces are broken and requires energy, but the order is interrupted so entropy increases. Water is more random than ice, so ice spontaneously melts at room temperature. There is a balance between energy and entropy considerations. When an ionic solid is placed in water, two things happen.
The water organizes into hydrates about the ions, so the entropy decreases and the ions in the crystal dissociate. The hydrated ions are less ordered than the crystal, so the entropy increases.
Generally, when an increase in entropy in one process is associated with a decrease in entropy in another, the increase in entropy dominates.
At temperature above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, pure water ice melts and changes states from a solid to a liquid is the melting point. For most substances, the melting and freezing points are about the same temperature. Facts about melting of ice is a whopping 750 billion tons of ice is melting every year due to global warming. That's 24,000 tons of melting water being added to the world's ocean every single second, or the same as 100 Olympic swimming pools 24/7 or 365 days. When you melt an ice or H2O, you have a physical change because you add energy.